Here's how to troubleshoot an Android TV that won't connect to the network or internet or Wi-Fi. So first, you need to go to the settings, which is usually in the top right corner, and then select network and internet. If you can't connect to your network or you connect to the internet does not work, try this first. You need to first turn off your TV using the power button on the remote, then switch off and unplug the TV at the wall outlet. Next, find the power button on the TV itself, in this case it's on the back, and press and hold it for 1 minute. After a minute, release the button and plug the TV back in and turn it on. Check your network connection in the settings again, and if you still can't connect, go to the device preferences or settings and then about, and then go to date and time and try enabling automatic date and time. After changing this setting, check your network connection again. Or you can also try restarting your TV and reset your browser. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.